Alright, how's it going everybody? Welcome to another Investment Dominator tutorial, and today we're going to be going over how we can go ahead and create custom blogs, websites, and posts. Now in collaboration with this, we're going to go ahead and use our user guide in order to pull up an article which can help us with this request. So if you go ahead and search through our user guide and type in custom pages or custom blogs or custom posts, you'll go ahead and see this article here. Now one thing you want to go ahead and keep in mind is that this will be a step-by-step article which will go ahead and cover how you can first start off by creating that page. So what we're going to walk through today is creating a custom page, then creating a custom blog, and then a custom post, which we're all going to work through right now. So in order to do this, let's head back to the Investment Dominator and take a closer look. Alright, now that we're back into the Investment Dominator, we're going to need to go to Customize, as well as Website, Pages, and Posts. Now when you're brought here to this screen, you might not have anything that's already available within your Investment Dominator. This is completely fine. We're going to be adding some new pages anyway. So let's go ahead and add a new page. Now you're going to need to choose the website that you want to go ahead and create. So either choose a page for your buying site or your selling website. For this instance, let's go ahead and work with the selling website. Now you can notice that you can go ahead and load a custom theme if you are using one, but for this example we're primarily going to just stick with creating a single page to which the status will be set to public. This will mean that anybody can go ahead and view this page. Now let's go ahead and say that our page title has to deal with a discount deal for one of our properties. We can go ahead and say discount deal as our page title. For page description, you can go ahead and add some more information as well too. You'll go ahead and see that once you add your page title, this title will be then converted into a page URL. So now it's discount_deal. This is how it'll show up in our browser when we're creating this. Now, as for going ahead and writing down our page content here, what we're going to do is create a little simple ad. So for example, we can go ahead and create something. Let's say that we're using some big font right now, about 36. Let's go ahead and say it's a deal and it has to deal with having money down. So 99 down / 99 per month. So this is good to go ahead and start off our introduction to our deal. And now let's go ahead and add some more information which would help out with this. For example, let's go ahead and select an image. We can go ahead and choose to select an image from here and then upload it. So we can go ahead and choose a file. And let's go ahead and choose a file that will best help with this. Let's say an image of, let's say the property here. So once you're uploaded your image, you can just go ahead and send it to the server and it will upload like such. You can then choose the different properties for it. So for example, if you want to have your image a certain size, you can go ahead and set that as such. Then click OK. So now that our image is now here, we can go ahead and click enter. And then let's add some more information. So for example, fill out the form below here. Now one thing that you'll always want to keep in mind is this insert merge field that you'll see there. This will allow the Investment Dominator to go ahead and take its information, its data, and insert it into your custom pages or custom documents. Now for example, let's go ahead and choose the opt-in form. This will go ahead and pop up with a form so that users can fill out information. So it's a great way to go ahead and start off with our new deal promotion. You can also change the color if you think it would go ahead and attract more attention. Now that we're done with our page content here, you just want to keep in mind of this page tracking code. If you are already using Google Analytics or Facebook Analytics to be able to track some of the attention going to your site or traffic, you can go ahead and input those codes there. Now at the bottom, before we are going ahead and able to finish this, you are able to go ahead and either show your logo or menu or show a banner. Let's go ahead and say no to the banner, but we'll say yes to showing the logo and menu. Then, once you're done, click Save. Now, if at any time you wanted to go ahead and get a quick preview of this page, we can go ahead and click on it here. Right here, Preview, click on that, and we'll go ahead and see our new deal that we have opened up. And this is what the opt-in page form looks like. The great thing about using merge fields is that with a little line of code, you can go ahead and populate something like this with the working button. Now let's go take a look at another example. Now that we've created our custom page, let's go ahead and make a custom blog. So to do this, we can go ahead to Add Page. We can click on Website and select which site we want to create it for. Let's say the selling site. Then, when we scroll down, just make sure that your page type is selected to blog page. Then, make sure that your page status is public. Now, for page title, we can just call it blog page. This will go ahead and generate our page URL here, and now we can add additional content. So for example, let's just add some text that says, "This is the beginning of our blog." This should suffice. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and you can actually choose the same settings that we did last time. So for show logo and menu, yes. Show banner, no. Then, once you're done, hit Save. Now a great feature of this as well, we can go ahead and create a custom post from our custom blog page. So, to do this, go to Custom Post and Add Post. Now, once we're here, we're going to go ahead and choose our title. So for example, Custom Post. Now for post status, make sure you have it as public. Now when we have Add to Page here, we're going to see that we can select our newly created blog page. This is great in linking content. So now let's go ahead and create some more post content here. For example, you can go ahead and select some merge fields to add. Merge fields such as brief paragraph will allow you to go ahead and add some information for your users to see. Now, let's say we want to add some more, so this read more link. So we can say read more, read my other blog posts here. Then let's go ahead and add one more image. Again, to do so, click onto the image, and we can upload. Choose a file, and don't forget to send it to the server. Then, let's choose an appropriate sizing for this, and we'll see it there. Now, once we're done adding this page, let's go ahead and take a look how it shows up. Now keep in mind, we are going to be using this page that we just created for this post which we just created. So now let's go ahead and take a look. If we click onto the preview option, we can see our initial text on our blog. This is the beginning of our blog. And then if a user wants to go ahead and review more information, you can see here, read my other blog post here. When they click on this, they will be presented to your new blog item, which is just our picture that we have here. This is a great way to go ahead and get started when creating your custom blogs, websites, and posts. Be sure that you go ahead and read through our user guide to be able to understand and format your content specifically of your choosing. But I really hope this video went ahead and helped you go ahead and create custom pages. Have a great rest of your day.